Hey friends, now let's understand how to change the voice of the sentences in the present continuous tense. Before we do that, we will first have to understand the word order of the present continuous tense. Let's understand it. The sentence which is in the active voice always begins with the subject, which is followed by to be form of the verb which is in the present tense, and that is either am or is or are, plus the present participle, that is the ing form of the verb, and which is followed by the object. So the word order is subject plus am or is or are plus present participle plus the object. Let's take an example. I am writing a letter in English. In this, the subject is I. So the sentence begins with the subject. Hence it is in the active voice. Subject is I. Am is the to be form of verb which is in the present tense. Writing is the present participle. A letter is the object. And in English is the rest of the sentence. Well, you definitely would like to know how to identify an object from the sentence. It's very simple. Just ask a question beginning with what. So for this particular example, we will ask the question, what am I writing in English? A letter. So whatever answer you get is the object. Before that, let's understand the formula once again. First, object plus to be form of verb is plus being, B-E-I-N-G, being, plus the past participle, plus by, plus the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. So, object is a letter. A letter is being written by me in English. Let's take one more example. Nancy is drawing a big circle. Well, we need to identify the object. So let's ask the question. What is Nancy drawing? A big circle. So a big circle is the object and our passive voice begins with the object. So let's begin the sentence. A big circle. This is to be followed by to be verb in the present tense. A big circle is singular. So this has to be followed by the verb is. A big circle is ing form is to be adjusted somewhere. So we are using being followed by the past participle of the verb which is drawn by whom? By Nancy. So the answer is a big circle is being drawn by Nancy. So let's take another example. I am making cakes for guests. Oh, what is the object? What am I making for guests? Cakes. So cakes is the object. Let's start and let's apply the formula which has been given to us for changing active voice into passive voice. Cakes, since it is plural, it is to be followed by the plural verb are. And again, since it's a continuous tense, we need to have being, a to be verb. Cakes are being, past participle of making is made. Cakes are being made by me for guests. So your answer is cakes are being made by me for guests. Would you like to have one more example? Here we go. They are cutting the forests. What are they cutting? The forests. So the forests is the object. And I hope you remember the formula. object followed by to be verb followed by the past participle plus by plus the subject and then the rest of the sentence. So let's apply the formula. The forests are being cut by them. This is your answer. And here we go for another example. He is ringing the bell continuously. Well, how to identify object? Asking questions beginning with what? What is he ringing continuously? The bell. So the bell is the object. Let's begin the sentence with the object followed by to be verb plus the past participle plus by plus the subject and then the rest of the sentence. So the answer is the bell is being rung by him continuously. I hope you enjoy converting active voice into passive voice of the sentences in the present continuous tense.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.